Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my super easy and delicious meatball subs. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our meatballs. To a bowl, we're going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. We're going to season with 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. We're going to add 2 eggs. Here we're going to begin to mix it. Okay, once we have mixed the eggs, we're going to add 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 of a cup of fresh parsley, 1/4 of a cup of fresh basil, and half an onion. Make sure that it is finely diced. So just mix it again. Okay, now we're going to add 1.5 cups of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of panko, and half a cup of milk. We're just going to give it a final mix. And once everything is well mixed, now we can get ready to shape our meatballs. So now we're just going to grab our meat. And depending on how big you want your meatballs, and it depends on how much meat you're going to grab. So just grab it and shape it into a ball. Okay, once we have our meatball, we're going to place it into our baking sheet. And we repeat the process with the rest of our meat. Alrighty, and once we have all of our meatballs, now we can get ready to begin cooking. To my pan, I'm going to begin by adding 1/4 of a cup of oil. We're going to set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our meatballs. And we're just going to sear them for 3 minutes per side. Okay, and after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our meatballs over to the other side. And just allow that side to sear for another 3 minutes. Okay, and after another 3 minutes, we're going to remove our meatballs from the pan and just sear the rest of our meatballs. And once we have seared all of our meatballs, we're going to remove all of the oil from our pan. Make sure that it is set over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. And just allow that to melt. And once the butter melts, we're going to add half of an onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 of a cup of fresh parsley, and 1/4 of a cup of fresh basil. I'm just going to be searing for 2 minutes. And just scrape the bottom of your pan. After 2 minutes, we're going to add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 16 ounces of tomato sauce, and 1/4 of a cup of water. We're going to season with 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're just going to mix it all together and allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low. And we're just going to add our meatballs. Make sure the meatballs get covered with the sauce. We're going to cover it and allow it to cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, and after 30 minutes, our meatballs should be done. So this is what it should look like. Okay, once we have them, we can make our subs. Alrighty guys, so now we can get ready for the fun part, making our sub. So we're going to grab a roll and just open it. Going to be adding some provolone cheese. Adding our meatballs. I'm adding 3 per sub. Make sure you get some of the sauce. Top it with a little mozzarella cheese. And now we're just going to take it to the oven at 450 degrees for about 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. Subs are done, so now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. And one thing that I like to do, after if I have any meatballs left over is mix it with spaghetti. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And I like to add a little some crushed chili peppers because I like it spicy. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So flavorful, so delicious, so simple. Nope. When rolling. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious meatball sub. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.